Boom, what's up guys? Byron Rodgers, real quick safety brief for being on private aircraft. Obviously, hopefully you've done your advance and you know all the information you're supposed to know from that, but on these aircraft, generally the medical equipment is located in the same places. Up here by the cockpit, usually there's an area in here that's gonna have your first aid, AED, anything that you would need for you know, a cardiac event and things like that. They're gonna be up here. There's usually a little boo-boo kit, and so this is a good place inside the aircraft to familiarize yourself with. Satellite sat phones very often are up here as well, to familiarize yourself with when you're flying private with your clients in case something happens beyond what you should have with yourself in your second mind gear and in your own medical equipment. Obviously, familiarize yourself with the safety procedures when it comes to exiting the plane, life vests, life rafts, all the usual things that you see on a normal airplane. They also exist inside these private aircraft, and obviously, as executive protection agents, it's our job to know all of these things. So, quick training day field note, familiarize yourself, front of the cockpit, obviously, usually right next to that, boom, is the emergency equipment inside most of these aircraft. It's usually the same way. So this is a place you might have to go if you're being called upon for a medical emergency in the air. Byron Rodgers, Executive Protection Training Day. Field note, join us at the league, executiveprotectionspecialist.com, and let's make this year the best year of your executive protection career. Out. Boom.